So these right over here are 3 of the best charging accessories that you will ever need. And not to mention, these are pretty high quality products and charging devices at lightning speeds. So without wasting time, let's jump on right into the video. Hey guys, ShivHax here, and today XCOOL has just sent us these 3 products for us to review. And these 3 products are pretty much basic needs for anyone who travels, who is a student, who works in office, or just by anything in day-to-day life. Like, these are must-need accessories. And if you guys are thinking about purchasing this product, I will have the link for that in the description box below. You can go check out their website. And along with these cool products, they also have a bunch of other different products as well, such as like a laser tool, or some other 100-watt charging bricks, or some other cables, or like the upgraded 2024 8-in-1 monster cable. So be sure to check their website out, and also their Amazon page, which will all be linked down in the description box below. So first, let's talk about the charging adapter. And now XCOOL has provided us with the 67-watt charging adapter, which can be done via the Type-C. And now the USB-A provides up to 22.5 watts. And now it has a pretty compact design, unlike other charging bricks, which are like too big, too chunky to carry around. So I really like this design, and I'm pretty much recommending this. And now talking about the 4-in-1 cable monster, this will provide up to 100 watts of power delivery. So that is pretty amazing. This charging cable is a nylon braided cable, which means it is pretty strong and durable, and it will last you for years and years without breaking at all. And now what some key features about this cable is that this is like 6 feet long, which is pretty good. And this is also a 4-in-1 cable, meaning that you have a USB-A, a Type-C on one side, and then a lightning cable, which is for the iPhones, or a USB-C. So this makes it a very versatile cable and durable at the same time, like I said before. So it's pretty much safe to say that this will not break at all. And one key feature about this cable is that this will never untangle like in a weird way and get into all sorts of shape. This will always stay in its round circular shape no matter what you do to it. And now me personally, as a student, I've been taking this to school along with these 2 items as well, and I've been using it rough with my laptop, my phone, my tablet, everything. And it is safe to say that it is pretty much staying in this form factor. So it's a pretty good sign for XCOOL, like they have managed to do this. And now lastly is our MagSafe charger. Now this magnetic power bank is a pretty nifty and handy tool, because like if you're out and about and if you don't have any place to get a wired connection, then you can simply use this. This is a fast wireless charging MagSafe power bank, and you can use this as a normal power bank with the cable, but also wirelessly with any device. Like, let me show you right this. Boom, it has started charging. It is simple as that. And it is showing me that it is fast wireless charging, so this is pretty good. Now this is a 5000 milliamp hour battery, so it will take about 120 minutes or about 2 hours to fully charge. And now some other accessories that they included in the packaging was that a kickstand for your power bank, so that when you are wirelessly charging, you can also have this little kickstand attached to your power bank, so that it will actually stand up when you're like watching videos or like trying to play a game or something. Then you can just flip the stand and then just place it on the ground, just like that. It's pretty simple. And they have also included these 2 accessories as well. First is a cable organizer for your table. So along with this cable, you can also organize some other ones as well. So that is pretty good. And they also have included this Velcro strip, which I'm not sure where to use this, but maybe you can tie up all the cables together to reduce the mess you have on your desk. But it is up to you on where you want to use this. So now that is going to be it for this review, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you guys did, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below on how well you think these products are. And if you guys like it, if you guys want to recommend it to others, please share all your thoughts down below. And now for a recap on these products, these are pretty awesome accessories and traveling tools that anyone will want. And I am super duper impressed with the cable, because it is super high quality, super durable, super flexible, and the fact that after all of that testing and durability and flexibility, it will coil down back into like a circle. So that is pretty awesome. And now the fast charging with the adapter, like it charged my whole laptop from 0 to 100% in less than an hour. So that is pretty amazing. And now the power bank, it is pretty awesome. and I really like it, and I'm looking forward to use it every day on my trip. So now that is going to be wraps for this video, and if you guys are willing to purchase these products, I will have the link for them in the description box below. And if you guys want an additional 10% off discount, then use this code 10XCOOL cable for the cable, and for the power bank 10 ShivHax to get 10% off these two products. And also you can buy them in a bundle as well, whether it be these two or these two. So I will also link that in the description box below. So I'll see you guys next time with another banger video. Peace out, guys.